Looking to supercharge your desktop's performance? The Timetec 64GB DDR4 2666MHz RAM kit might just be the answer. With two 32GB modules, this kit offers a whopping 64GB of memory, perfect for demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, or running multiple applications simultaneously. The DDR4 2666MHz speed ensures smooth performance, while the 288-pin unbuffered design makes installation a breeze. Plus, with a low 1.2V power requirement, it's not only powerful but also energy efficient. Timetec guarantees a lifetime warranty from the purchase date, along with free technical support based in the United States, providing peace of mind for users. However, it's important to note that this kit is specifically designed for desktops and may not be compatible with laptops, notebooks, mini PCs, or all-in-one devices. In terms of build quality, the Timetec DDR4 RAM modules are well made and reliable, housed in a sturdy construction that ensures durability. Plus, with dual rank 2RX8 configuration, they offer efficient data management and multitasking capabilities. Overall, the Timetec 64GB DDR4 2666MHz RAM kit is a stellar choice for those seeking to maximize their desktop's performance. Whether you're a professional requiring immense computing power or an enthusiast looking to future-proof your system, this RAM kit delivers on both fronts. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.